Hi, my name is El. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Truthspiration. And I want to say this to you guys. If you're new to this channel or you just found this channel, please click on the subscribe button. All right, subscribe to this channel. Okay, and you can also hit the notification button, also the bell button there, so that anytime we'll put out beautiful content like this, you can always partake and get the information firsthand. Okay, so now today I want to talk about something, and it's how you can use salt to remove negative energy from your life. How you can use salt to remove negative energy from your life. Okay, so there's a lot of negative energy everywhere. There's negative energy in your life, even in your house, even in most of your objects. Okay, negative energy can actually cause you to have bad luck. All right, even you pray from today to tomorrow, when that darkness is there, it kind of weighs on your prayer. It doesn't make your prayer come, manifest itself faster. Okay, so now most people complain. I was like, I'm having a string of bad luck. How do I help myself to get out of this, sequence of bad luck, from one bad luck to the other? Okay, so whenever you're experiencing that, it's either you have negative energy around you or there's a spell. So a spell can also be a negative energy or dark energy. Okay, so the thing is that you can actually use salt to remove, all right, negative energy. All right, so salt is very powerful. Okay, so salt is very powerful. It is associated to purity. It is associated to cleanliness. It is associated to preservation. Okay, so in some African traditions, even in Africa here, because I'm in Nigeria, some people still use salt to preserve meat or to preserve things. Okay, to preserve things and to give it a longer lifespan. Okay, so it has a preservative ability. Okay, even when you use the salt to take a bath, what it does in your body is that it helps you remove dead cells. Okay, and sometimes people have dead cells in their body that really covers their skin and doesn't allow the skin to function properly. Okay, so it has a preservative ability. All right, it has a purification ability also. So now, because of all this ability it has, okay, it is so powerful in removing negative or dark energy, all right, that brings about bad luck in your life. I remember when I was a bit younger, my father called some prayer people, to do a family prayer, you know, family deliverance and prayer and the whole compound. And the people that came, they brought they brought some bags of salt. Oh, my father had to buy those bags of salt. Okay, he had to buy those bags of salt to actually complete the whole prayer thing. And after the prayer, they started sprinkling salt everywhere. I was wondering why. Okay, you had to pray, and why are you actually using salt to pray? I don't even understand. I couldn't really understand then. I couldn't really understand what they were trying to do. Okay, so but then I knew that the using salt wasn't just ordinary. Okay, that it served a purpose. Okay, so now, just like the Bluetooth, okay, that's how the Bluetooth is. All right, you connect your Bluetooth. Let's say you have a Bluetooth speaker, okay, and you have your phone. Okay, so now remember that I told you that the salt has different abilities. Okay, it has the ability to preserve. It's associated to purity. All right, it's associated to cleanliness. All right, because of its color, it's white, it's crystal, the way it is. Okay, so it has those abilities. So now, when you want to use it, okay, you use it and you take a bath with salt. Okay, not just any kind of salt. You need to get rock salt. You need to go to the shopping mall or wherever you can get the salt. You can get it in the market. A raw salt, sea salt, raw one, not the one the Dangote or the one processed that you use in the kitchen. All right, so you need pure salt, raw salt, okay, that you could use to do this. Okay, so when you're taking your bath, you need to understand that you need to put your intentions in that salt, okay, all right, in that salt. So what happens is that once you put your intentions of preservation, okay, once you put your intentions of preservation, what you've done is that you've begin to activate you've begun to activate the powers, okay, inside the crystals, okay, that is the salt. All right, I call it crystals sometimes. So you begin to activate the powers inside the salt. Okay, so you once you want it to purify you, you begin to activate a spiritual purification power, okay, to begin to cleanse you or begin to wash the negative energy out of your system, or out of your body, out of your spiritual aura, your spiritual body. Yeah, the spiritual body, it begins to cleanse it and begins to remove it. Okay, so that is ability to actually, that's the ability of the salt. Okay, it can actually do that. So when you want to remove negative energy from it, from your aura space, you take a good bath with it, scrub your body with the salt. Okay, but first of all, you need to pray. That is, prayer is like, it's the same thing as, creating your intention. Okay, making your intention known. You need to make your intention known. You need to be specific on what you want it to do. Okay, not different things you don't want it to do. You have to dedicate the salt to something and speak some words towards what you wanted. So that every string of bad luck, every dark energy, every dark energy in my life, as I use the salt to take my bath, I want you to live my life forever. Okay, so what you've done is that once you said that in faith, what you've done is that you've established your miracle. Okay, it's a miracle. You begin to, remove the dark energy begins to respond to you and begins to remove itself from you. Yes, that is how you get it done. All you just need to do is to take your bath with raw salt, not just the ordinary salt. You can get a very good salt. Get that, and you begin to remove everything, everything that is not of the light, that is not good. Begin to remove it out of your life. So thank you for watching this video, and please, if you enjoyed this video, why not like and share this video so that you also can also receive your I don't want to sound like a church person now. All right, bye for now.